We wanted to create our own flywheel. That starts from the great projects that we work on. And the great projects are delivered by great people. The great people are built because we have an attitude to learn, and we are continuously learning and improving ourselves.
The flywheel basically tells about what drives the organization, the momentum behind us, and how we continue doing things that we are good at. So we go to the topmost universities, we have a very rigorous process of recruitment. People go through multiple rounds of interview and then they get shortlisted for it. Why do we have such a strict process? Is because although if you go to top universities, you do find good talent, but of them also we are very picky, because we want kind of people who are self-motivated, who have a zeal to learn. We want the people to basically, be passionate about what kind of technology that they would be working out, what is the new learning that they would have. And once we identify those set of people who are a cultural fit, we basically go ahead and train them on the processes which over the period of years we have perfected.
And we understood that it is our great processes that help us reach that level, and then it comes across in the communication and how is it that you represent, and what is the value addition or innovation or extra things that you can give to your customers along with just project delivery and quality output that will generate referrals and customer loyalty. We want to create an experience that the customers will come back to us every single day. We also want to create that experience for the employees where they are loving to come back to work every single day, because they know that this is the place that gives them accountability, that gives them responsibility, that helps them to grow. So this sort of the entire mindset in terms of customer quality delivery, that helps them have a great experience, and employee great experience is what we wanted our inherent flywheel to be.
In parallel to the MAQ software flywheel, we have some of the growth mindset we try to inculcate in each of the team members, which will define their personal growth also. The first in that mindset is the personal success, right from personality management, time management, people management. We get exposed them towards some of the personal successes which are required for anybody to do good in this industry.
Overall, it's a team success, it's a team achievement, it's not an individual's achievement. We focus on our customer success. We have a sense of gratitude. We thank our customers for giving us those opportunities of working on great projects. We thank our team members to ensure that we have delivered a great software. And finally, everybody feels a sense of ownership that this is what they have delivered. Every person is personally attached to the project that they are working on, and they feel that it's their own baby.